We got a Jaguar right here. Major damage. Took a big hit right there. Yo, diesel? This is a Volkswagen diesel. Whoa. Not a Volkswagen diesel, a Jaguar diesel. $32,000 miles. Oh, black mode right down the seat because the windows open. Airbags all deploy. Yeah. And right here with 72,000 miles, we got a Lincoln. 72,000. Bottom airbags deploy, and that's about it. Like no other airbags looks deploying this thing. No, and she ain't gonna start. The battery's dead. Now let's see the damage. In the front, right here. I mean, it's not bad for the mileage. Got hit in the back. Pushed it to the front. Hit another car. Yeah, she took a beating. Let's go see what else we find. Over here at the auction. Whoa. What happened to the wheels on this thing? Little Mazdas too. No wheels. And here we have it's all burned up, catch fire. Oh, it's one of those Kias, you know, the engine's always catching fires in these things. Watch the beast truck that I got in the next video. Alright, thanks for watching, subscribe.